Monene ase iwizara itendete oberendi bwemeyense Dr. Raymond OMOLLO nigagendere kwigera hemiroberio ao ya magendero na bokorri buya bwa serikali obagendete konekiwa ase Chinsemo nigo bono haire okoboko igitambukiro ky'omurai bwense William RUTO abigo yokabero murai w'ikyama gya ODM Raila Odinga ase emiroberio eri babegete yokoigwana egati y'ebintu 10 ebwente gwikiranirwa eri koenekia wancheria nkoyo ase gwikiranirwa kwa magendero na bigo bokorri ase Chinsemo asa igereire ekomiti yabe ENSEMO ikuragwa na Dr. Agnes yokoira ebirengerero by'abananchi ase ensi ya Kenya eri gochekwanekia buna roboti oru rwe echi osoroboti oru ndo chigwikiraniwa ase enchirerengia.
And that's why when the team that is concerned with the implementation of 10-point agenda is here, and they have elaborated what that 10-point agenda is. One of those is the matter of inclusivity. There is the issue on the fight against corruption. There is the issue on the management of our wage bill. There is the issue on human rights. And it beats me when this important committee is following up on some of these issues. Because back in the days, we have had instances where we have lost people fighting for human rights. And one of the recommendations was that these people need to be compensated. Those who lost their limbs, those who lost their loved ones. But then there are some Kenyans who don't think this is supposed to happen. They've gone to court and now compensation cannot happen. And we still have some leaders, people who call themselves leaders, clapping for those characters. And that is why, as one of you, and as a person who works in the administration of President RUTO, that under the broad-based arrangement, we have every intention of implementing the 10-point agenda, including compensation of victims or to victims who have lost their lives, to their families, and the matters are in court. We will prosecute it, we will make our case, and I want to call out anyone who is against the implementation of the 10-point agenda, including the compensation of victims, as an enemy, not just of the people of Mviwa and Homa Bay, but an enemy of Kenyans. And we must call them out for what it is. The 10-point agenda talks about inclusivity. That for the first time in the history of this country, the president, Dr. William RUTO, is developing every part of this country. When we talk about the Gor Mahia Ring Road, when we talk about the markets that are being done in Homa Bay County, when we talk about the hospitals, when we talk about universal health care, it is not just happening in Homa Bay County. It's happening in Mombasa, it's happening in Meru, it's happening in Garissa, it's happening in Kwale. Each and every corner of this country, there is something that is happening.